If Answer the Public is not loading or stuck on a blank screen, don't worry. This is usually caused by simple browser or network issues. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Answer the Public not loading step by step. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Try opening another website to confirm your connection is working properly. If it's slow or unstable, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes Answer the Public doesn't load properly due to a temporary glitch, and a simple refresh can fix it. If the issue continues, clear your browser cache and cookies. Old or corrupted data can prevent the site from loading correctly. Next, try opening Answer the Public in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and cached data that might be causing the issue. Some browser extensions, like ad blockers or script blockers, can interfere with websites. Try disabling them temporarily and reload the page. If it still doesn't load, try a different browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge. Sometimes compatibility issues can cause loading problems. Sometimes the issue is not on your side. Answer the Public may be down temporarily, so check if their servers are experiencing downtime. A quick restart can also help. Restart your computer or phone to clear temporary system glitches that might be blocking the site. And that's how to fix Answer the Public not loading. Yeah, most of the time it's just a browser or network issue, and one of these steps should get it working again. Thanks for watching, and good luck.